Glasshield Nano Rain Repellent ensures safe vision while driving. It can be applied on windows, mirrors, and all glass parts. The surface should be totally clean, dry, and the application should be made in a closed space. Before applying the product, clean the surface with Nano Clean to increase bonding performance and make sure there is no minor dirt or residue. Spray the product on the surface and buff immediately with a dry cotton cloth. Be sure the product is spread evenly and applied to all surfaces. Do not use microfiber. Apply to each glass panel step by step and finish the job. All applications are completed approximately in just 10 minutes. One coating is enough. Wait for 24 hours, protecting glasses from wax, stains, rains, and washing. You should achieve long-lasting water repellency and easy clean effects after application. Nano, love and protect the original.